People, and welcome back to my channel. So sorry I'm on here looking jacked up, but yeah, tonight I'm back with another first impression of using the Beauty Blender Bounce foundation. So my girlfriend went to the States a couple days ago, and I gave her the shade that I picked up from the Beauty Blender line to return for me, I should say, and that was in the shade 4.50. and I asked her if she could pick up the shade in 4.40. so you guys already know the drill here. Like, we're not new to this. I won't go through details with the packaging and stuff and how much it retails for, but we're just gonna go ahead and try the foundation. And I am using the new Sapphire Beauty Blender sponge. So she actually brought this back for me as a gift. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put 2 pumps. So this, the 4.4, it's supposed to be a neutral shade, a neutral tone I should say. So let's see if they are right and if they got the shit correct. So I went ahead and I did use a moisturizer, and I did use my primer. I use a Smashbox Photo Finish primer, and we're just gonna go ahead and try this now. Okay. Okay. So this kind of looks, it's not as red as the 4.4, so we're gonna blend that out. So far I think this one could be a match. This one could be a match, guys. Could be a match. Fingers crossed here, because the other one was Oompa orange, but I did not want to give up. Like, I'm not a person who loves to give up. I'm very persistent, guys. If anyone knows me personally, I'm very persistent. Once I put my mind to something, I have to get it, or I have to achieve it. So I saw another YouTuber that she seems as if she's my shade in complexion, that she reviewed this shade, and I was like, okay, this could work for me. Could work for me. Wow, I think this is my shade, guys. I think this is my shade. Okay, so I'm gonna pump a bit more just to go and put some on the top of my face, on my forehead I should say. So I'm doing just 1 pump because I might do extras, because I'm still seeing my imperfections peeping through. So I'm just gonna do my forehead, my huge forehead that I got from my papa. I hate applying foundation of late, and I have my eyebrows done. Like, oh, that's just a stress, because I'm always paranoid that I'm gonna go ahead and mess up my eyebrows. So, and the thing why I wanted to give this foundation another try, guys, it's because it's so freaking lightweight. So I'm gonna go off camera and finish up the jars, and then I'll be right back. So I did wait a bit for it to dry down, and I think it's dried enough. I have to say, I think this is my shade. What do you guys think? Let me know. What do you guys think? So I wanted to come on camera and show you guys before I go in and conceal my under eyes, because Beauty Blender didn't come out with any concealers, but I'm feeling confident. The thing why I wanted to go ahead and give this a second try is because I love how it actually felt on my skin. Like, it felt like I had nothing on my freaking skin. That is what I loved about it. But the color shade range was so complete off. The packaging is amazing, how it feels is so freaking amazing, but the color range is freaking off. but I have to say that 4.4 is my shade. So if we are the same complexion or use the same shades in foundation, then you can probably go ahead and give it a try, because I'm actually feeling this now. I'm actually very satisfied. So I'm gonna conceal my eyes with no other than the Born This Way concealer, well, multi-sculpting concealer. You guys are gonna see me use this a lot on my channel because it's so freaking amazing. So I'm gonna do my face and then I'll be right back. Okay people, so you see, now I'm back. Now compared to the review that I posted on my channel last week, I'm not looking orange. I am not looking orange. Do you guys not notice that? I am not looking freaking orange. Like, this actually matches my complexion. So like I was saying when I was doing my foundation, if you guys are the same shade as me, I would say you can try the 4.40, because guys, this just feels like there is nothing on my face, and that is what I love about it. Like, it feels like there's nothing. Like, I'm not wearing no foundation, just my bare skin, and I don't think it's too heavy. I went in with a silicone based primer, and I just used my moisturizer, and then I spritzed my face with my Mario Badescu spray, and that was all. And the foundation actually blended really freaking good. I did have to go in and use 3 to 4 pumps though, so yeah, because I did have a bit of pigmentation here that, yeah, I think with those 2 pumps it wasn't really covering up, because this foundation claims to be a medium to buildable, but to me I think it's a light to buildable. But no, light to medium, I mean. It can be buildable, but you don't want to use 5-6 pumps just to get the good coverage. But so far I think it did do a good job. I actually do love it. Okay, so Beauty Blender, I'm not gonna bash you in this video. I would say that it came through. I'm still not gonna say it's Shin approved, because it's not an inclusive foundation line, so not a lot of my women of color sisters will be able to purchase this, because it's only this shade and then the 4.5, which is like an orange shade. To me, no one is freaking orange. Like, I don't even know why they even came with that shade. The 4.7, which is like a deep neutral as well, and then the last shade. So technically it's 4 shades, but I'm just really happy that I did find a shade that actually did match me. Just let me know what you guys think down in my comment section. Do you think it matches me? Do you think this one was a win? But I really do hope that they do launch more deeper shades for their next launch with their foundation. I mean, to be honest, this is gonna be my honest opinion. If I didn't find my shade and they did a second foundation launch, to be honest, I wouldn't purchase it, because if you didn't include us in the first one, then I wouldn't want to purchase your stuff on the second round. So yeah, so overall I will give this a plus, and I love it. Like, I freaking love it. This is gonna be something that I'm taking with me when I'm traveling, because it has a open and close in the back, so that is perfect for traveling essentials. And I can put my Beauty Blender in the foundation in the dispense here, and just use my Beauty Blender and then just wipe it off or clean it with my makeup wipes to sterilize it so it doesn't box up too much bacteria. But so far I will be keeping it in the box and not out of the box. So anyhow guys, I hope that you guys did love this tutorial second time around, and yeah, I hope that my other sisters out there, if you're my shade, I will stress again, I hope that you can try this, or even go to Sephora and pick up a sample, because it is in Sephora now, because my friend got it in Sephora today or whenever she went and got it and brought it back for me. So anyhow guys, I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video.